How's the picnic?
Good.
What are you drinking?
Apple juice.
Oh, what's Mila drinking?
I got her cup.
Oh,
So she's drinking pop.
she's drinking pop?
Yeah.
Wow. Mila, are you having a picnic?
Mom, can you Mom,
Yes.
can you open this too?
Yes, I will. When we're done having a picnic, okay?
I'm done having a picnic.
Okay.
What's wrong? More new Play-Doh can make these stuff.
Wasn't that so nice of Auntie Jessie to send you these presents?
Look, these thinkies. Mom, you can make suns and look at this one. This is not.
Do you see what you can make in here?
Yeah, look.
Look at
Butterfly.
popcorn,
Mom, you can make butterfly.
French
Mom,
fries.
you can make butterfly out of different flowers.
Wow.
This way. These cups. Do you want to take my sandwich, Mom?
I would love a taste. What kind is it?
Cheese.
That's the best sandwich I've ever had.